Welcome to Mind Control Q&A, a series of short videos where I'll answer questions from my subscribers. To get a question answered, simply post your question in the comments section below. You can also submit a question at my site, fredohill.com. Ready? Great. So let's go. Today's question is from Freddie, aka Pussycat Eater, and it says, I've just had my first date with her and she seems to like me. So what do I do? Can you teach me how to keep a woman interested after the first date? Well, Freddie, congratulations. It seems that you have passed the first test, and with flying colors. But it's not time to rest on your laurels. Let me tell you what not to do. Gush over her and quickly try to arrange for a second date. This is a big mistake that you shouldn't make. Do you know why? Well, this is why. If you're too eager to see her again, you're over-projecting your interest. It's something that you should never do, unless you want her attraction to you to die out quickly. And if you know Shogun Method, then you should know that this is a big sin that you must never commit. In Shogun Method, this is known as precondition number 2, never to tell a woman outright that you are interested in her. Here's what you should do instead. Chill. After the customary, I had a good time, see you again sometime soon text, go completely incommunicado. She'll wonder why you've turned cold towards her. After all, the date went great, right? Guess what? Her curiosity and confusion will work to your advantage. How so? Simple, really. It will open up an emotional vulnerability that makes her completely susceptible to your next move. At the height of her insecurity and confusion, send her a text. Second date? And then, watch her scramble to reply to you with an enthusiastic yes. Seriously, try it and you'll thank me later. What do you think of this answer? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Remember to click like below and subscribe to my channel. For a free masterclass on how to use mind control techniques to gain tremendous power in your relationships, go to fractionationhypnosis.com. You can also click on the description below. Go sign up right now for the masterclass. Trust me, you'll love it. Sign up now.